Hello friends, in this video we are going to see the home screen of MS PowerPoint. Very few changes are there related to the MS Word, but the few changes which are there are very much important. So like the MS Word, the topmost part is the title bar. On the left hand side it is a quick access toolbar. These are the different tabs available for the functions. Next is the status bar, which is on the left hand side in the bottom to know how many slides it has, which language it is. Next one is the note section. This part is not available in your MS Word. So here on the bottom you can see, if I drag it like this, so this portion is my note section. So this is not available in MS Word. Next one is the slide tab. So whichever slides you have made, it will be visible on the left hand side. So this is your slide tab. So I have 8 slides. So it is showing me all the 8 slides over here. Next one is the presentation view. Like the view in the MS Word, it has a presentation view. There are two ways to see the presentation view. Here you can see on the right hand side bottom the normal slide sorter, reading view and the slideshow. The same thing you will get in the view section or the view tab. Inside a view tab there is a presentation view. Now which we are seeing currently is a normal view where multiple slides which we have on the left and the current slide on the right, and the notes section in the bottom. Next one is the slide sorter. If you have a multiple slides and if you want to shift or rearrange them, then this slide sorter is very much useful. You can just drag it and drop it and you can rearrange them. Next one is the notes page. Now as you have seen in this normal thing, there is a section available, that is a notes section. For the first slide I have given some notes. For another slides I have not given us any notes. So when you click on the note page, you can see for the slide 3 it is not showing anything. For slide 2 also it is not showing anything, but for slide 1 it is showing some notes. That is the notes page. And the fourth one is the reading view. That is, if you want to read your slides, you can read just by using it. So these are the different presentation views available in the MS PowerPoint. Now if you want to present some mm, presentation, then you can use the slideshow view. You can see here slideshow view. Now the this presentation view is available in the view tab also, and in the status bar, or in the just beside the zoom in and zoom out. So there are two ways to see the presentation view. Only the difference in this in the bottom and in the view section is this notes page. So you cannot see here a notes page. In view tab you can see a note page. So this way there is few changes in the MS PowerPoint. Only the presentation view and the notes section and the slide tab. So three points are different on the home screen of MS PowerPoint. Other things are very much same: the home tab, insert tab and the design tab. We will see one by one in the future videos. Thank you.